Hello everyone. So our next chapter is the program analysis. In this chapter we learn analysis of program, pseudocode, design step, flow charts, structure programming and modular programming concepts. Then algorithm, उसमें searching and sorting ये algorithm देखने वाले हैं. So today we learn the analyzing the program, program designing, coding program, testing program, documentation. So first of all is the introduction. It is purely understand what is the analysis of program. It is purely theoretical. So program analysis is the process of automatically analyzing the behavior of computer programs regarding a property such as correctness, robustness, safety and liveness. Program analysis is an investigation of the cause of an incident, issue of failure. This is done to identify improvements to the system, processes, procedure, designs and culture. So program analysis is a development of programming for a specific problem. The programming process consists of 5 steps. These are the following. For this is as being part of a writing good, easily understood and useful computer program. So first step is a analyzing the program, second is a designing the solution, and third is a coding the solution, and fourth is a testing the solution, and last one is the documentation of the solution. So ये हम one by one देखने वाले what is the analysis of problems, designing, coding, testing and documentation. So first is analyzing the problem. Problem analysis is a computer programming is the process where we break down the problems into its components so that the problems can be easily understood. So program analysis is a programming process. It is a development of program for a specific problem. So the problem analysis is the process of understanding real world problem and users need and proposing the solution to meet those needs. Here are some suggested steps on how to go about the analyzing a certain problems for computer application. First is a review the problem carefully and understand what you are asked to do. Second is a determine what information is given, that is the input, and what result must be produced, that is the output. Assign names to each input and output items. Determine the manner of processing that must be done on input data to come with the desired outputs, that is determine what formulas are needed to manipulate the given data. So next is a designing the solution. Program design the activity of progressing from a specification of some required program to a descriptions of the program itself. The design solution described or definition will be used to generate the end product specification that will be used to produce the product and to conduct the product verification. The process may be further refined and depending on whether there are additional subsystem of end product that need to be defined. Frequently the design phase is divided into two subphases, one of the architectural design and second one is the detailed design. So the architectural design produces description of the program at a process level and it is normally given in terms of a major components of the programs. So next one is a detailed design. They refine the architectural design to the stage where actual implementation can begin. So that is the designing solution or program designing. So next is a coding programs. Coding program is the process of creating instructions for computers using the programming language. Coding program is the process of translating your program design into appropriate computer programming language. You are working with to solve the problems. Here it identifies the different variables required in the program. If program design is short, then start coding from the top and work sequentially through the design, and translate each step of design into one or more statement of the languages. Here we need to take care of typing mistake in top to bottom coding. The programs cannot be tested until you get it completely entered. So we can also use programming coding language to create web pages and application. Some top programming languages include C, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, C++, C hash, Perl, PHP, etc. It is the way human communicates with machines, and it allows to create software like programs, operating system, and mobile apps. So next one is the testing program. After coding, the next step is test program. Make sure that required data files are present in correct drive that you define inside your program. The program is executed and supply with test data. Your program might work correctly the first time you try it. More commonly, the first run will not execute exactly what you want the final product to run. So testing is the process of evaluating the system or its components with the intent to find whether it satisfies the specified requirements or not. In simple word, testing is executing a system in order to identify any gaps or errors, mistakes, then missing requirements in contrary to the actual requirements. So next one is documentation. There are the different types of documentation required, like programmers documents documentation and user documentation. But the program and document consist of following items: a copy of original written specification for program, a written copy of input, output, process, storage, analysis, then complete the definition of all files, records, and fields used by the program, mapping of all variables name used in programs to facts they represent, and there should be no repetition, copy of flowchart, pseudocode, or other tools used to design the program, and a copy of source code of program, and also the printed copy of input facts used to the test program. Documentation should be always be updated. Documentation should be unambiguous. Documentation should be from the point of view of the reader. A printed copy of all possible outputs, reports, or screens. So user documentation is this above all or the programmer's documentation, and in user documentation is required the user manual. In a large organization, it is written by documentation and specialist. So many times computer programmers know how to communicate with the computers and not people. User documentation consists of information need to successfully utilize all about the capabilities of a programs. So these all above are the documentation, and here these all above are included in points are included in program analysis. So हमारा next point is algorithm. We learn in next video. So thank you.